Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Techbasics. In this video, we will be learning how to log out of Yahoo Finance application. To log out of your Yahoo Finance app, first of all go ahead and open the Yahoo Finance application, and then from the main homepage, tap on the account button at the bottom right corner. In the account section, tap on your username at the top left, and then tap on Manage Accounts. Now simply toggle off the button right next to your username and you will be able to sign out or log out of your Yahoo Finance application. If you ever want to log in again, you'll need to go ahead and tap on the login button right under the account section and then choose your account and simply log into your account like you normally do. And that's how you will be able to log out of Yahoo Finance application. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.